Alright, hey guys, what's up? Just a quick little update while I make the new video. I managed to put the U packages, so if you want the sample terrain, it's on my Google Drive, and then the shooter package is on the Google Drive as it always is. The other thing I got is actually the scripts are actually in a public repository in my GitHub. It took me a while to understand how to use GitHub because I was always messing up. They didn't accept the large files, so they're not accepting the whole project, they're only accepting the scripts. So that's what I decided to do, because you can use these scripts however you like. I managed to add them in both the CSS, so the C#, and the CPP, the C++ version, so you guys can just go in and get my scripts. At the same time, every further tutorial I'm going to be making, or anything that I'm going to be making in the future, I'm going to be adding those scripts into the Git, so you guys can always look back and update yourself, or like anywhere you get stuck, you can always just go and click and you can see it. So for C++ users, you could just copy paste everything. For C#, if you're going to make your own scripts, just make sure not to take the components property GUID, because there would be a slight chance that you might make a collision over here. But if you don't, go ahead and just copy and paste everything inside the class. But other than that, yes, everything's up for free. You guys can pick it up whenever you like, and yeah, go ahead, make stuff use me as a stepping stone to become better versions of game developers yourself, or simulators, or whatever you're gonna use that for. But yeah, have fun guys, I'll see you soon. Okay, goodbye.